So Wednesday morning, and today we've got a couple of driveways and a patio to clean. It was nice and sunny, but now it looks like it's going to absolutely belt it down. The weather has just been absolutely mental, hasn't it, this year? It's been causing us a bit of chaos, but we're getting by, we're getting by. Also, I don't know if you've noticed, but I've got the big van back. £1,200 later, but it's back on the road. Picked it up, when was it? Last Thursday, Friday, whatever day it was, from the mechanics. Driving back, and engine management light comes back on. So it's got to go back in. It always happens at our busiest times. At the minute we are absolutely swamped under, like I've previously said. We're booking up now till I think like beginning of July. We're chock-a-block 6 days a week. The vans run perfect, no issues in the winter when it's a bit quieter, but come summertime, that's when they start liking to play up. Typical, but we make do. So yeah, I'm just heading now to the petrol station, going to fill up the fuel cans and the jet wash and whatnot, and then we'll go this drive and see what today has in store for us. Whoa. These lanes here as well are a pain, especially this time of the morning. Yesterday I was planning on filming our render clean, but yeah, day from hell. I hate to be a whinger, but yeah, you know, when just everything goes wrong. I got to the job, sorry, and went to start the machine. The pull cord snapped. The wind was horrendous. What else? The hose split on the pole. It's just one of them days where just everything seemed to be going wrong, but with everything against us, we still got the job done. But yeah, I just didn't get any filming done. So I'm going to try and get some good footage today. I'm hoping I've got everything with me. I've got the adapters, I've got the tripod, I've got everything. So yeah, hopefully today we'll have some good footage for you. Let's get some fuel. It's forecast to be 18 degrees today and sunny. It's a complete opposite. There we go, 32 quid. Oh, didn't think I had my wallet in, but I'd left it in the van. So that's fuel done. It's currently 8:26. Booked in at the job for 1/2 so we've got 4 minutes to get to the job, which luckily is only around the corner, but trying to battle school time traffic. Hey. Bloody mayhem. Who can guess where I am? There's got to be someone local who can tell me where I am today. Oh, oh, he's letting me go. Ew. Yeah, no, today's worked out perfect. I've got 2 driveways next door to each other, and then I've got a quote at the end of the road once I finish. So yeah, couldn't get any closer if I tried. Yeah, my quote is at that house there, and my job is here. So, right, I'm going to go the wrong way around this estate, so my door is on the right side. It's a pain when your hose is facing out into the street. So if I drive this way around, my side door will be facing the driveway, which will make life easier. There you go. I don't know if that's an island or what. No, it's not, is it? You just drive around it. I can't remember what number it was. The one with the dirty driveway. Yeah, this one, that's the one. Oh, the guy's moved his cars and say he's got a, I think it's pretty much a brand new Aston Martin. I'm glad that's well out of the way. So, let's go and say hello to the customer and get set up. I'll put this up then. Oh, there it is. So yes, we've got this driveway here. And then got this driveway here. These are all nice, easy, straightforward driveways, but the patio, I can see, is going to be an absolute nightmare. It's like cobbles with massive gaps. So the crap that's going to come out of here is going to be unbelievable. We've only got a drain there, so the drainage is probably going to be a nightmare as well. But let's get started and see how we go. Get me wellies on. All the hoses are out. I didn't bore you with fitting the hose one-handed again. Get me wellies. Right, I'm just fire the machine up and we'll get started. This has got to be one of the messiest jobs I've done in a long time. As you can see how big the gaps are. The water is just going where it wants. This is just puddles and puddles of muddy, sloppy rubbish. It's a bit of a bomb site at the minute, but I'm just doing it in sections. Obviously brushing up all the rubbish as I go along. I've done this section now and this section. I'm going to brush this up until the walls and the windows down, and then tackle this section. Obviously another problem we've got is I've got this door open because the hoses and stuff are coming through the garage. So I've tried to keep it shut with a trusty broom. Yeah, I'm just going to have to angle away and make sure no muck goes inside the utility there. So yeah, brush this up and get back to it. Right, so that's the clean done. We're left with just a couple of puddles, 2 big bags of muck. No, we're getting there, we're getting there. Just going to treat it now, leave that to soak in because there's a few black spots that I'm not happy with. So yeah, sun's finally came out as well. So yeah, I'm going to treat this and then leave it, like I said, take my coat off, have a drink, come back, rinse it off, and so it looks. The reason I'm not using the X jet on this one is because I don't want the bubbles. It'll just be like a foam party here with drainage. So the good old trusty watering can doesn't produce so many bubbles. So it's had 10 minutes now. Looks like it's done its job. We shifted all the black. So now we've just got to battle these puddles and try and get the place looking tidy and presentable. Where's my rinse nozzle? Oh, there it is. The coats had to come off for the first time this year. Oh, my hose is all tangled. There's a bit too much surfactant in the magic sauce. Problem is, if you don't put any surfactant in, it just run off the block and not do anything. So you need a few bubbles to get it to stick. But then when the drainage is bad, trying to get rid of it is a nightmare. But luckily I've got the drive, so there's the worst case I can leave it to dry out and then come back to it once I clean the drive. Look, the drain, it's missing the drain there, the water source, it's going straight back. Right, so we'll put this door shut. Right, so, and stick you guys back up here. So yeah, fighting losing battle with these puddles, so I'm just going to leave this to dry out while I clean the driveway and then come back and see what's what. So I'll get started on this driveway now. Hopefully this will be a little easier. Is it then? Right, so that's the clean done. Now it's time to get it treated with the X-Jet, and then final rinse down, clean the windows, clean the street, and see what's going on in the back garden. So let's get to it. You know what we do, leave it to dwell, 10 minutes, quick drink, and then we'll get it all rinsed off. While it's dwelling, I'm just going to brush all the sand up there from the street. Luckily there's a drain right there, which is an absolute bonus. And then onto the neighbour's driveway. So I've got to rinse the treatment off now. And there we have it. Driveway number 1 cleaned, treated and rinsed off. And patio. Still drying out a little bit there. There we have it. Pack up the hose and on to next door. It's currently about 12 o'clock I think. Should have a look now. No. 12. Yeah, not bad. Considering the drainage on the front one. Drainage on the patio even, sorry. Just got to rinse this bit here. Oh, I'm just going to use a tap to do that because I don't want to put too much water down and end up flooding the place again. So we've moved the van and the hose to next door. It's now time to get this one done. Start the machine and get going. So the GoPro decided to die on me when I started this one. I thought it was recording, but yeah, picked it up and realised it was dead. As you can see, that one's all done now. Sorry I didn't get any footage of this one. Road's all cleaned, all packed away. Job done. Next time I know to bring more than 3 batteries because 3 wasn't enough for a full day. Like I said, it's been a while, but I'll get back into it. I'm trying. Catch you on the next one, guys.